name is and I'm the driver, mechanical lead, and strategy lead of Team 3735 Vortex. Although I've been doing robotics throughout my life in various forms, it wasn't until I joined Vortex that it really had a big impact on my life. The summer before my freshman year, I joined Vortex during the Hunt unit of Deep Space, and it's given me many experiences and opportunities. Every season, we follow the engineering design process. At kickoff, we analyze the game when it's released to find and prioritize the objectives. Then we split up into subsystem groups to brainstorm multiple different mechanisms to achieve those objectives. And together, we make design matrices for each subsystem to select one or two. Then we have a discussion with all the groups to finalize the integration of the whole robot. Then we CAD, prototype, test, build a final design, then reiterate and test as needed. Teamwork is essential to the success of any FRC team. Our team is built on the foundation of collaboration and communication. We understand that every member has unique skills and perspectives to contribute, and we work together to leverage those skills and perspectives to achieve our goals. For the 2023 Charged Up season, our priority for our bot was we wanted maneuverability with at least 4 directional movement, to reach different high nodes, and be able to pick up pieces in any orientation. To reach the different nodes, we decided to go with an elevator since we had experience with them and they can extend fairly quickly. And matched with the elevator, we have a claw with dead axle wheels to make the cones upright passively. For our drivetrain, we decided to go with Swerve for the first time. We didn't get the electronics required for Swerve till a week before our first competition, so we had a little challenge coding Swerve for the first time. However, with a lot of hard work and dedication, we managed to code Swerve in only a few hours. With Swerve, we can easily maneuver around the open field to dodge defending robots and also be able to easily line up with the nodes by moving side to side. After analyzing the game for strategies and seeing our 3D team's designs, we quickly realized that many of these designs require cones to be in a certain position, such as upright or nose facing towards the robot. We decided to find a way to pick up pieces from any orientation, so as a driver, I don't have to worry about spending time to line up the robot with a piece. However, we still have to reorient the cone after it has been picked up for our call. So we decided to go with an extending roller system with a top and bottom roller. With these two rollers, we can pick up game pieces from any orientation, and we have bottom rollers along the whole drive chain of a robot to act as an indexer. And we have walls on both sides of the indexer, so any cone or cube that has been picked up by our extending rollers automatically gets centered to the claw, and cones get reoriented to be in line with the claw too. So now, as a driver, instead of having to line up to the piece, I can just roll the intake and drive onto any piece and instantly intake it and reorient it passively. We're also committed to building spirit and displaying sportsmanship. We understand that FIRST Robotics competition is not just about winning, but about building a strong community of passionate individuals who support each other and work together to achieve common goals. We regularly organize team-building opportunities, such as team dinners, game nights, community service projects. And at competition, everyone wears their team marks, sometimes even these silly tutus we have. Our team logo is displayed in our audience and in our pits, and our audience always does our team chants. These activities have allowed us to grow closer as a team and support each other both in and outside of the team. We make a conscious effort to congratulate and support other teams. As a driver myself, I always thank my allies and shake hands with the opposing alliance for a wonderful match. Community service has remained a strong core value of Vortex. With our ever-evolving technological world, advancements and inventions have elevated the lives of people around the globe, and we are active leaders, being a part of the change through local and global initiatives. Through my years in Vortex, I have tried to give back to the community in any way that I can. We run showcases that tie in Pie Nights at our schools, freshman orientations, open house, our district pathway and GT summits, STEM conferences, local libraries, Project Cure, Houston Food Bank, and even Simmons Energy Day. We also mentor many FTC, VEX, FLL, and VEX IQ teams, and run STEM camps for middle and elementary schools regularly. In fact, when I was in middle school, I actually went to summer camps hosted by Vortex, and I remember having a great time and seeing Vortex in local libraries, restaurants, and other district events. Although COVID brought many obstacles, Vortex was able to continue creating a positive impact on an international scale. We have volunteered with Project Cure, an organization that delivers medical supplies to developing countries, and the Houston Food Bank. We teamed up with Team 9191 to 3D print and CNC face shields and distribute them to local hospitals. We also ran Operation Cenobots with Project Cure, a toy drive. Due to COVID, we couldn't do our normal summer camps, so I decided to take the initiative and run a curriculum and run a free online coding camp for beginners in elementary and middle school. We maintain a good relationship with all the teams we meet and try to grow close relationships that bring us many opportunities. This summer, we hosted a nonprofit robotics STEM and coding camp in collaboration with 1477 Texas Tor and 5414 Paradox. We continue to stay connected with other teams through collaborations and helping each other in scrims. We've connected with FRC teams in New York, Taiwan, China, Hawaii, Ecuador, and India, and have even traveled to Ecuador in 2019 to assist the creation of a new robotics team and provide donations to various lower-income schools. This diversified our perspectives and helped us find novel ways to improve our leadership, teamwork, and building skills. Vortex has taught me many life skills and has provided me with the ability to give others the same opportunities that I had. From the students to the teachers, the schools, the sponsors, Vortex represents the community of Spring and Con, Texas, and everyone who has supported us as we continue to foster a community of bright young minds, opportunity, and take the world by storm.